Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, I am Keizle and welcome. One of the focus of this channel is to teach you how to create Procreate brushes that you can use in your artworks or digital planners. So in line with that, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create this brush in just a few easy steps. All you need is your iPad with the Procreate app installed and the Apple Pencil if you have, but if you don't, that is fine too. So let's open the app and let's begin. Create a square canvas, and my canvas size is 2048 pixels by 2048 pixels. First thing that we need to do is change our background to black by tapping the layer icon, and on the layer with the name background color, tap on it. You can select the color black by tapping in this area, and Procreate will automatically select the color black. Now let's tap this brush icon to access the brush library, and under the calligraphy, select the monoline brush. Then for the color, tap this circle in the upper right corner, and again double tap in this area to let Procreate select the color white. Now on our current layer, let's draw a circle. The diameter of my circle is more than half the length of my canvas. So let's drag the color in the circle to fill the shape with color. You can also reposition the circle by tapping the arrow icon, and I'm just going to zoom out so I can see the whole canvas. On the layer menu, let's swipe our current layer to the left, and when the option appears, click duplicate. Select the lower layer, then let's tap the arrow icon here and let's reposition the circle such that it is partially overlapping with the other circle. On the color menu, while your current color is white, tap the value option here. What we are going to do now is adjust the brightness, which is the third slider from the top and which has the letter B at the beginning. We are going to adjust the slider to 50%. You can adjust the value by adjusting the slider, or you can tap the grayish box and directly input your desired value. You can both use your Apple Pencil or your keyboard, whichever you prefer. Now drag the color to our lower circle. Let's open our layer menu, and on our upper layer, let's tap on it and then select the merge down option. This will merge this layer to the layer below it. Then tap the merge layer and select copy from the option. Tap the brush icon to open the brush library, and under inking, let's duplicate the dry ink brush by swiping it to the left and selecting the duplicate option. Then tap on the duplicate. Select the shape option, then tap on the edit. Then import and then paste. And when you are done, tap done. On the stroke path menu, adjust the spacing to 43 and the streamline to 66. And on the properties menu, adjust the maximum size to 200. You can explore the different options also if you like. You can also add your name and edit the brush name on the About section of the brush. I am going to call this brush as the Speckled Lace. And I suggest that you keep your custom brush in a separate library, and to do that, you can pull down the brush library list until the plus icon appear and tap on it. I will be naming this brush library as my YT brushes or YouTube brushes. You can name it any name that you want. Now to transfer the brush, drag and hold, and while holding onto it, tap our new brush library and then drag the brush onto here. And there you go. If you were able to create this brush, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to let me know that this kind of videos is an interest to you so that I can create more. And if you have any suggestion, comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy these other videos as well. So until next time, bye!